Welcome to prompt 47 of 52 circles, and our word is rearrange. I've got my base calico layer and just some offcuts of fabric in similar shades with a high contrast pink. And I'm going to begin by sewing these strips together, just seaming them together with a straight stitch on the sewing machine and then pressing them so that they're nice and flat with the iron. So I'm just making a piece of fabric out of strips that are big enough to cover my circle. So here they are, nicely ironed on the back, and then with my shears I'm just going to cut across them widthways to make individual strips. You could play around with the width of these to create even more variety, and then I'm just flipping them over so that now they're kind of going in opposite directions to their original layout. And again, I'm seaming these together just with a straight stitch on my machine. So you can see that I'm going to end up with a kind of random grid of squares and a kind of mismatched pattern. And just the back will be quite fiddly and scruffy, but don't worry about that. You're more interested in that kind of finish on the front. So just checking that I had enough to go across my circle, which obviously I didn't. So don't forget to add a little bit extra because you lose fabric when you're seaming them together. And then trimming around my circle with some fabric shears. And here's my finished sample. Obviously you could embellish it with stitch or quilt it and add to it in some way, but I quite like the effect it creates. Anyway, have fun with rearrange.